For decades, many U.S. Supreme Court justices have warned U.S. Constitution is not a suicide pact. In other words, that the Constitution should not be interpreted in a way would jeopardize survival of our nation and our democracy. But right now, I worry that Supreme Court's right-wing majority, with its expected move to ban states from removing Donald Trump from the ballot, will turn Constitution into a suicide pact by allowing an insurgent like Trump, a man rejected centuries of constitutional tradition by refusing peacefully hand over reins of power to man who defeated him, remain on ballot. High Court would be welcoming a candidate defeated him. He has made no secret of his plans to trample every part of the Constitution and throw away our democratic traditions. Many legal experts worry that right-wing justices will focus on wrong issue when High Court takes up historic Colorado case on whether a state can oust Trump. In this case, court could also decide whether Trump should be disqualified. Ballot in all 50 states. As court considers case, 6 conservative justices may focus on concerns about infuriating right-wing voters, their political soulmates. If they rule that Constitution requires disqualifying Trump as an insurrectionist, the justices will also no doubt be concerned that voters will be seen as taking an oppressive, antidemocratic step if they deny them the opportunity to vote for Trump, the likely Republican presidential nominee. But it's not the judge's job to worry about angering the Maga crowd. Their mission is to focus on implementing the text of the Constitution and thereby protecting our democracy. An insurgent candidate with a good chance of winning the presidency in November could drive a stake through the heart of America's democracy. The Colorado case focuses on the 14th Amendment, a post-Civil War measure intended to ensure that all citizens, especially formerly enslaved people, were equally protected by the law. Section 3 of that amendment was intended to prevent Confederate supporters who rebelled against the United States and its Constitution from holding office. No person shall be a senator or representative in Congress, or hold any office, civil or military. We cannot honestly deny that Trump supported and aided an insurrection. He unquestionably aided or consoled the attack on the Capitol on January 6, which was essentially a coup attempt aimed at preventing rightfully elected President Joe Biden from being inaugurated. In disqualifying Trump, Colorado High Court wrote, "The record makes clear that events January 6 constituted a planned and public use force or threat force by a group individuals to obstruct or impede United States government from taking appropriate action to ensure peaceful transfer power in this country. This constituted an insurrection under any applicable definition." The House Select Committee on January 6 presented a mountain of evidence showing that Trump planned and supported